Good morning. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. And I am going to have me some fish, salad, and some noodles. I've semi-made my salad. I got the lettuce, the cheese. I love the cheese, as you can see. Put me a little onion, green onion. This seems like it's a little tough. Let me see. I really like purple onions. I'm thinking about getting me one. I have a tomato over here also. I'm gonna have to get up anyway to get the sauce. Then I may get my onion since I'm getting up anyway. Put that on them noodles. I got the onion right here. Oh, it's not going to take that long. It's just right here in the cabinet, y'all. Here it is. See it? Now, I'm going to set that right there for later. Put some noodles on my plate. Let that be garnished. Gonna get them all out. So I won't have to dip from bowl to plate. I'm gonna use this for my onion. I was looking at my hands. My hands look really big in that. My dad had used to tell me that my hands were big enough to play the piano, which I did take piano lessons. But the thing that turned me off about piano lessons is that the piano teacher used to hit my hand with the ruler when I made a mistake. So by her doing that, that made me not like piano lessons. And then I told my dad I ain't want to go back no more. And he played the piano. And right now, both of my sons play by ear. But I didn't play because the teacher hit me with the ruler. And it didn't come easy to me. At least she wanted me to do it her way. You get me? So, and my children play by ear. What I did with them was that I bought an organ, gave it to them, and left the room. They figured it out. My first son, when I first did it, I gave him some books because I thought you needed books. You know, but I didn't send him to no classes. He learned to play without the books. And when my youngest son, I just bought him one, gave it to him, and didn't get him no books, and he played very well. So that goes to show you that I had a talent within me. It's just that the technique of the teacher turned me off. The salad looks good. I don't know if y'all got a good look at that. There's no meat on it. Because I got fish, you know. 2 pieces of tilapia. Which all I did was I took it straight out the freezer. Froze now. I opened it up because you know it be in them little bitty bags. And I laid it on the plate. I put some salt. No, I didn't put no salt. Excuse me. I put black pepper, garlic, the Lowry garlic salt. That's the salt I use. Just to sprinkle it in there. And then I also use some Old Bay seasoning, and you know, a little bit of that. Put it in the microwave. You know, they have one of the microwave tops that you put on top of your plate. And then I put it in there for 30 minutes at first because usually I can cook a tilapia 1 piece in about 30 minutes. But this thick plate made a difference. So I put it in for those 30 minutes, and it was still pink in the middle. So I put it in for a minute. I looked at it. It still had some pink in it. Then I did 2 more minutes. So it kind of depends on the heat that's from your microwave too. But remember, I had the top on it, and all the frozen stuff that the meat was froze now. So the liquid cooked the meat, and there was not a lot of water in my plate afterwards. So actually, this is a microwave meal. The noodles the same way. Open the pack, put them in the microwave, 5 minutes. Then no cover, just the bowl with some water, and the seasoning already in it. So I put it in the microwave, boiled it for 5 minutes. You know, turn the microwave on for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes was up, then I took the fork and mixed it up, you know, moved it around because it had got loose then, you know. And after it got loose, you know, I put it back in there for 5 more minutes. And this is what you got right here after 10 minutes. But you take a break after that first 5 minutes so you can stir them up. I don't know if most people know that you can cook fish in the microwave. And it turned out like this. Flaky good. Look at him. Let me get a piece right here. Look at him. Look at the flakiness on it. Let me show you the seasoning on it too. Let me see. Uh-oh. Slap. Move that over a little bit. Well, you know, when I picked up a piece of this, I thought, you know, I had put it on the table and I put it in the plate. And I picked up a piece with the noodles. That was good. That's somebody that like onions, I guess. It was good with the noodles, y'all. But y'all know that. Y'all see them green onions in your noodles. So, honey, you can put whatever you want in these noodles. You hear me? You can put shrimp. You can put fish. You can put steak. You can put tomatoes. You can put anything your heart desires. Mushrooms. Whatever you want. You don't have to eat them plain like this. And I know how to doctor up some noodles, honey. Shoot, make them taste like they was something else. You hear me? You put cheese in it. That's real good. But the only thing about these right here, I think they are a little tough because it's not the season for them. You know, they're always trying to sell stuff out of season. Child, ain't gonna sound like nothing safe no more. You got to grow it yourself when it comes to vegetables too. I don't know if y'all heard about the growth hormones in watermelon. I was just watching some, what was that? I'm on YouTube, but you can't believe everything YouTube talk about either. So, and I said, golly, ain't nothing safe no more. I'm ready to try my salad since it ain't on the plate. I don't like reaching. But is that lazy or what? I like it all on one big plate. Let's see what they talking about over here. You hear talking? It's real good. Only thing is, I should have took my lettuce out and let it sit. I said it's so cold to my teeth. You could put it on this wrong plate, right? I'm thinking about doing that. That's so good. I'm gonna make some room, y'all. Y'all see this? Yeah, that's the way you do that. That's the way you do that. Now that I done split it up like that, I need a little bit more of this. I buy such a big thing of this stuff right here because I eat salad all the time. And this is one of my favorites. One of them. Okay. We can see everything. This is good. And the thing about that fish, it is cooked to perfection. You hear me? Perfection. You need to try it. Oh, this is so good. I wanted to put an earphone in my ear. I got my little tablet, you know, and I was gonna watch some movies while I eat, and so I can also use the laptop and film myself eating. But the only thing about that, if I was watching a movie, I probably wouldn't do this much talking. You know what I'm saying? The only reason I would be watching a movie is because I like to watch something while I'm eating, you know. But by this being an ASMR video, y'all don't like all that extra noise, do you? Child, y'all need to let me know I can watch TV while I eat. Say, go on watch TV. Eat your food. I'll watch it with you. Matter of fact, if it was on back there, I can be looking at y'all and y'all can see what I'm watching and we can be talking about it. So no. That may be good when Empire come on. Have it on right there. And plus have it on my little iPod. I'll be filming it while we eating. Honey. You be watching it and I'll be watching it. That supposed to come on the 21st of September 2016. I'm gonna be sitting pretty, waiting on it to come on. And some of y'all don't know that Once Upon a Time coming back on too. That same month, that same week. How to Get Away with Murder coming on that same week too. So you're gonna have something on the 21st, the 22nd, 25th, and 24th that I know about. Last Man on Earth. That's gonna come back on too. It's on now, but they're showing a replay. I saw it last week. Now, I don't remember if they said anything about Gotham. I don't think they did. They said something about The Walking Dead, but I don't watch that. I ain't never looked at it. I ain't like it when they did in the old days, and now they got everything that's out. Seem like it's about something like that. I don't like that kind of stuff. It just ain't natural. I don't like that. I don't even see how it got so popular. This is good. I'm kind of glad I'm eating in front of camera because I would eat more if I sit down and talk to y'all and eat. By myself, I probably wouldn't. You know, lately, I really haven't been having a taste for meat. Look like I don't like the way it's on my teeth. But I'm talking about other meats, not fish. Fish fine with me. But I've been weaning myself for a long time. That one while, maybe for over a year, I just been cooking fish and chicken. But then, you know, I can't say that because I will cook a hot dog. Whatever's in there. All them Polish sauces. Before it's pork chops and steaks and hamburger meat. I hadn't did that in a while. Unless I go to a barbecue or something like that. Before it's me cooking it. But I did pick up some hamburger meat patties to cook outside when grilling and stuff, but I haven't cooked for myself. See, when I grill, I get that kind of stuff, like the hot dogs and the Polish sausage and the packs of hamburger put on the grill. It usually be for other folks. I may get one of each. Cause do all that cooking, you want to at least taste it, right? It's been a million times where I cook a whole lot and I didn't eat until we picked up the stuff and brought it in the house and thing was over with. Yeah, I was so hungry. The next day I had to try to eat it again because I was too tired and let's lay it down. But don't worry, y'all. My movie is on Hulu anyway. So I'm going to go there and watch it. If I missed them movies I told y'all about during the week, I catch them the next day on Hulu. I tried Netflix, but they don't do it the next day. Like a TV show. Cause I got when Netflix said I was gonna get them that trial for that first month, and then Empire came on. The next day I tried to watch it on Netflix. It wasn't there. I deleted my free trial and then went back to Hulu, paid them folks my little $7 and got back with them because they have next day deal, you know. The only reason I got Next, but the only reason I got Hulu, it was on Hulu. The only reason I got Hulu is because I like watching Empire. I ain't want to miss no show. And then I did cut my cable off too, y'all. And I got the antenna TV. But all the shows I told you about, it comes on antenna TV. You don't need no cable. It's just that I missed it. And so I catch it on the next day. And then again, if you get Hulu for $7, and you got your antenna TV, you can take your laptop, hook it up to your TV, and watch as many movies as you feel like. Or as many TV shows. You can watch the whole series back to back. And if you miss a show, you can watch it 2 or 3 times. So you can get everything that it was about. You don't miss nothing. Cause there's been plenty of times where I watch a show. Then I say I went back and watched it. I didn't catch it the first time. That seasoning on that fish is real good. That Old Bay fish seasoning give it a lot more flavor than just pepper. I had some diced garlic I thought about getting a little spoonful and putting it on top of my fish, but then I changed my mind. I said, no, I know it'd be good for you, but I said, I'm going to get some of that Lowry garlic salt and just sprinkle just a little bit on there. So, you know, you don't need a whole lot of salt. No way. I ain't had no noodles in I don't know when. Long time. But on here, look like that's all I'm eating. Child. I know some of y'all want me to eat some ribs on here. My PayPal account is at the bottom of this screen. Y'all want me to just do all this kind of crazy stuff, eat all this kind of crazy food? Drop a couple of dollars in that PayPal account, and then I'll see what I can do. And drop me a note and say, I would like to see you eat this, and then I would say I'll talk to you about it. Or next time you may see me, I may be doing that. Cause I've been intending to eat some ribs for a long time on here. I was gonna buy them ribs at Walmart that's already cooked, and all I had to do was warm them up. It'd been a whole slab, and put it on the plate and eat the whole thing for y'all. Cause I could eat a whole one of them. I know I could eat half. Cause when I buy it, I cut it right in half. I give him some, and I have some, and then we eat it all. But if I didn't have nothing else with it, I eat the whole slab by myself. Been a long time since I had that. Like I said, I've been eating fish and chicken for a while. That sounds real good right about now. That sounds real good. And if you send some, send it as a gift so they won't charge me. They charge you. Because if they take out a dollar, $2 out of $5, it'd be $4 some change. I know somebody sent me some money, and I ended up with about $4 or something like that. And they told me to go buy a whole chicken. I ain't have enough money for that. So I fried some chicken. Dad. Cause if you send me $10, I would like to have $10. Don't say that. $9.52. Cause the real cost more than that. And one guy told me to eat a lollipop on TV. Child, I was sitting in that recliner behind me. The lights was dim. I ate that lollipop, but I did it the way I wanted to do it because this how she do it. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, y'all. I got another channel that called Valerie Granville TV. It's down in. It should be down in my description box. I'm not sure, but it's Valerie Granville TV on YouTube. Honey, I drink coffee in the morning and I talk to folks. Just like I'm talking to y'all, but I be drinking my coffee. But if you like an MSR video and you see me drinking my coffee, and then you see me doing my hair, doing stuff to my eyelashes, rubbing my head like that there, you know that's MSR. What didn't happen here? Okay. And you're doing my makeup, rubbing them brushes on my face. Same thing. You can see that over there. And your girl talk about some stuff. You hear me? So no. That's some good old cold water right there. I'm talking about I must be want some, right? This This is some good stuff right here. And it's cooked to perfection, if I do say so myself. Y'all having a little lunch with Val. And she ain't got to eat by herself. And nothing like good friends and good food. I think I'm liking it now. Instead of me watching the little video, I enjoy talking to y'all. I'm going to say that salad for the next meal right there. Because I think I've been with y'all long enough. What you think? And eat some of them. You want some? Walmart special cheese. There's some good stuff right here. Don't let nobody fool you. Chopsticks, then use them. That stuff was good. Drink me some water. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Don't just watch me and don't subscribe. It's a red button at the bottom of this video. Hit subscribe for me. All I'm going to do is let you know when I make my next video. Oh, that was so good. That was so good. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. And I will talk to all of you beautiful people on my next video. Or I will eat with all you beautiful people on my next video. Bye-bye now.